For those of you who are about to watch this skit and have never heard of the game Doorknob, well, I'll explain.
The rules to Doorknob are simple. You can play this with a group of friends or just one other friend. The object of the game is, if you fart and your friend calls Doorknob, then you must touch a doorknob or else he will get to beat the living shit out of you. And I know what you're thinking, that's unfair, but there is a way you can avoid that. By calling safety. If you call safety, he is not allowed to hit you. And that's the rules of the game, simple.
We have a very simple way of showing this to you, and it's going to be a very fun example. Enjoy. What? What?
Doorknob.
Please.
Safety. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I hope you learned something. Maybe next time you can play that with your friends.
Oh shit.
Doorknob.
Saved.
Yeah.
Oh no!